this is actually a very relatively simple dish, and it doesn't require much effort at all. It's going to be like a quick cook in the wok, but what you will need are about roughly a clove of garlic. You need to be very liberal with this. Now you need some bird's eye chilies. Now this is meant to be like a kind of neutral dish, but like add as many as you need. But this is preferably not spicy, so I'm just going to use 2. And a big red chili, all sliced up. That's just for the sake of presentation. Main ingredient is Chinese water spinach, or morning glory. You can find these at the Chinese supermarket. Okay, you'll need to make a sauce from this. You'll need tao jiao, which is fermented soybean paste, and oyster sauce, white pepper, and sugar. The sauce. Now, the tao jiao is quite salty, so just add like maybe a tablespoon's worth to begin with. Now I'm gonna counterbalance that with a savoury component, which is the oyster sauce. Maybe add double the amount at first. Stir. And give that a taste. Okay, already we've got like a salty, savoury balance, but now I'm gonna add some sugar to it. So this is meant to be a savoury dish. Alright, taste. Okay, need some white pepper. White pepper is commonly used in East Asian and Southeast Asian cuisine. Okay, that's good. Give the water spinach a clean first. Just want to like bash your chilies a bit, just release the oils and cut them diagonally. My mini pestle and mortar just like fell on the floor, so all I can do right now is just like, you know, just bash these a bit, you know, chop them crassly, I mean. Flatten them. Or if you have a rolling pin, that'll do. What you want to do here is just trim off the end stems. Now these are gonna wilt when you cook them. Looks like a large bunch, but trust me, you're gonna go right through this. So make them quite long pieces, about this length, like, you know, finger length, something like this. Sorry, messy job. Yeah, that's pretty much all the preparation you have to go through there. Okay, just gonna get that nice and hot. Yeah, I got this from Thailand. Now I've got a bit of water with me, just in case it, like, you know, gets too dry. But this is gonna be quick. First, add in your generous amount of garlic and chili. Let them release their flavours, cook them, but don't burn them. Okay, that's good. Add in the morning glory. the sauce mixture. And add in a little bit of water. Keep that heat high. Okay. Plate that. That only took like a minute. Maybe less actually, because in the restaurants, them wok flames are much higher. And you want to serve that with some rice. I've got some rice bowls with ginger, lemongrass, and a kaffir lime peel and some garlic. How's that? Boong is it's commonly a side dish. It's good for sharing. Like, yeah, I have it every time. Like I go to a Thai restaurant, and right, to anyone who doesn't like vegetables, right, you don't know what you're missing. You gotta smell like garlic. This is actually a health meal. It's one of the healthier Thai foods. Yeah, this is a winner. And just get some of that in there. Wow. It's the garlic. That mixture of that easy mixture of oyster sauce and fermented soybean paste. It's the monosodium in it. This is so easy to make. All right. So if you're planning on doing like a set of Thai food courses, add this to your list, please. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. This is really good. Trust me.